Unlocking site-specific design can seem complicated at first, but if you break it down into 4 basic elements, achieving the perfect balance for your structure becomes surprisingly straightforward. Do you know when your climate in question is oversaturated with one or more of these 4 basic elements? Take a scorching desert, for instance, where the heat and aridity is dominant. The solution? Introduce a counterbalance with coolness and moisture. In this harsh setting, the strategic addition of water features creates a relieving evaporative cooling effect. In the tropics, where it's hot and wet, our homes can benefit from adding more clays and earthen plasters to absorb excess moisture. Also, inviting coolness into the space by designing for natural ventilation not only cools but dries out the structure as well. Simply put, if you live in a climate with too much water, you will want to add more fire elements, for example, passive heating with the sun. Or if you live on a site that has very high winds, it would be wise to add more trees and earthworks to slow the wind down. Every location has a unique set of challenges to design for. With a variety of building systems, there are plenty of natural solutions to combat your climate conditions.